Good morning, guys. It is April 17th, 2019 today, and I have a 50-50 pattern. So in other words, no matter what, if it goes up or down, one way it'll happen. So we have a Gartley that's kind of like set up on the 4-hour chart on the United States Canadian dollar. Um, Previously, we had a New Zealand Great Britain, which it did actually go down, and it actually passed the 382 and the 50% retracement. So it actually, here I'll pull it up, New Zealand, Japan, New Zealand, Great Britain. So it actually did do that. It actually went a little bit higher, so if you would have had actually a stop out right around here, it would have stopped you out. So around this area is practically where it was at. So made a little retracement. Right around here is when I posted it. So it kind of went up a little bit, and then it probably hit a lot of people's stop nets right here. And then from there it just tanked down, and practically if you would have had like a stop placement a little bit above here, you would have hit both profit targets. For this currency pair currently, there might be a chance of like a pattern forming in the future. Oopsies. Let me get this out. There we go. But it took actually a nice dip, so it's at like a 786. So you do not know yet, so I wouldn't even consider that a pattern yet, because this candle wick is actually very long. Can't believe it actually did that big of a drop. So back to what I was saying with USDCAD. So USDCAD has on the 4-hour chart from February of 2019 a large little Gartley pattern that looks like it might have a good probability of falling. But the other side to this would be on the Euro USD, and that would be a bullish one, but this is a bat pattern instead of a Gartley pattern. So it starts practically at a 50% retracement of the main move downwards, then up. Then this can basically extend from the least a 386 around this, or it can extend all the way down to a complete 1 with A to C. But my guess is it'll probably either fall down to C, or it'll probably try to make a retracement around structure level. But we will see as it goes. And if it does choose to go bullish, your profit target might be at 13,400 for your first profit target, and your second one being at the last point right here. Then the flip side, if the US dollar chooses to go, I guess, down also, but would be this pattern right here, which is a Gartley. So if we do see price action choose to fall, there's a good chance we might see it go down to around like a 618 right here. Again, other than these two pairs, there isn't really anything that's interesting in the market that is good for pattern traders, at least from what I've seen. So be cautious, and have a good rest of your guys' day.